Learning Evidence 3, Juliana María Peña Suárez. Link of the survey. A screenshot of the survey carried out. Survey graphics. Survey analysis. The results of the survey regarding stress pointing out that the people between the range less and moderately are eager and nervous. The environment that stress the most is the work one, and the problems on this environment makes them have less performance with difficult to complete their tasks. We are going to do some exercise to reduce stress. Body exercise. Relaxation techniques. Deep breathing. One of the simplest ways to be relaxed is to practice deep breathing. Sit or lay down and put your hand over your stomach. Put your other hand on your head. Inhale slowly until you feel your stomach lift out. Hold up your breathing. Exhale slowly, feeling your stomach descending. 2. Relax your neck. To start off, bow your head forward and backward, left and right. Then turn down your head as if you were doing circles with your nose. 3 exercise, body exercise to reduce the stress is calm down the tension between your shoulders. Get up and get down your shoulders with a soft movement, one by time alternative. Relax then and let your head fall down forward, as if your chin would like to lay on your chest. Main exercise. We are going to do some exercise to reduce stress. One main exercise is light up a candle. Essential oils or lighting up aromatic candle could help you out to reduce the stress or anxiety. Some aromas are especially calming. Here you can see a list of aromas that can calm down is, for example, lavender and roses. Check chewing gum. For an easy and fast appeasement of stress, try to check or chewing gum. And research showed that the people that chewing gum had a high sense of wellness and less stress. 3. Lawn. It's hard to feel anxiety when your lawn is good to you, to your health. and there are a lot of ways that can help you out to free the stress, reduce your answers to the stress, reduce the tension when relaxing your muscles. Terms.